Hello, welcome back. Today I got a new iPhone. It is iPhone 17 Pro Max. I bought the cosmic orange. So this is a most popular color one from the iPhone 17 Pro Max. I got this one like about $1,800 something. And this is a 522 gigabyte. It is from United States LLA version, which means that there is no SIM card slot. The good point about getting the new iPhone 17 Pro Max from United States, it has bigger battery compared to the other region. You get about 5088 milliamp. So now let's go ahead and unbox this phone. I already do it, so now I'm gonna show you on the screen right here. So now let me unbox my phone. There we go. I think this is my most favorite color ever. And I also have my iPhone 16 Pro Max right here. It is laser titanium, and the camera is getting bigger. So if you see here, because Apple has moved all of the component to the top, and here is all the battery inside. And let me peel it. A moment of truth. There we go. And let me power it on. Let's put it aside, and from the box you get nothing. Only like charging cable, and then you get how to use your iPhone. There is no Apple sticker logo. It is the one that I always want. I already set up my phone, and here we go. It is the iPhone 17 Pro Max. And for the size comparison, you can see it is not much different. The weight is exactly the same. But one thing that I noticed, the 17 Pro Max is a bit thicker compared to 16 Pro Max. The camera button, which is Apple never talk on the new keynote. And I'm gonna do more about the iPhone 17 Pro Max video. Stay tuned for that. And thanks for watching. I hope you like this video. Then I will see you guys in the next one.